In today's video, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. And if you're waiting for Samsung's next mid-range upgrade, this is something you should definitely watch. New benchmark leaks for the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G have just surfaced, and the results suggest that Samsung is bringing a noticeable performance boost compared to their predecessors. These early scores give us a glimpse of what users can expect from Samsung's upcoming A-series lineup launching very soon. Let's start with the Galaxy A37. According to the latest Geekbench listing, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G achieved a single-core score of around 1,138 and a multi-core score of 3,450. If we compare that to the previous generation, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, which scored roughly 1,000 in single-core and 2,700 in multi-core, the improvement is quite noticeable. This means users can expect smoother everyday performance, faster app launches, and better multitasking compared to the previous model. Now let's move to the more powerful model, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Geekbench shows that this device scored about 1,385 in single-core and an impressive 4,469 in multi-core performance. When compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, which scored around 1,350 single-core and 3,700 multi-core, the A57 clearly brings a stronger jump in performance, especially when it comes to heavy tasks and multitasking. In terms of processors, leaks suggest that the Galaxy A37 could be powered by the Samsung Exynos 1480 chipset, while the Galaxy A57 might feature the newer Samsung Exynos 1680 processor. These upgrades could be the reason behind the improved benchmark results we're seeing. Another exciting detail is the software. Both upcoming phones are expected to launch with One UI 8.5 based on Android 16. Reports also suggest that Samsung might start rolling out One UI 8.5 to flagship devices like the Wafward Samsung Galaxy S25 series even before these A-series phones officially launch. So overall, these early benchmarks indicate that Samsung is seriously working on improving the performance of its mid-range smartphones. If these numbers translate into real-world performance, the Galaxy A37 and especially the Galaxy A57 could become very strong competitors in the mid-range smartphone market. And that's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 performance leaks. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest Samsung leaks, One UI updates, and hidden Galaxy features, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.